Acres Student Farm was started in 2006 by a group of University of Wyoming students from the Department of Agroecology and the Hobbs School of E&R. With the generous donation of land from the Ag Experiment Station and the support of faculty in the Plant Sciences Department, the first Student Farm Assessment Seminar course was offered in 2007. Over a decade later, Acres is a community-oriented, volunteer-based, and student-run RSO at the University of Wyoming. The farm grows fruits and vegetables on their 1.8 acres of land with the help of 6 high tunnels, a solar-heated barn, and a crew of student interns who manage the farm in the summer. They grow produce using sustainable methods and strive to support and promote local agriculture. They sell the produce through their CSA program, at farmers markets, to local breweries, and on campus. The farm also provides educational and research opportunities for University of Wyoming and Laramie communities. Some of their notable sustainability and outreach programs include community-wide compost collection and free student garden plots. Every year, the students raise all of the funds needed to support these programs through their produce sales, grant writing, and other fundraising efforts. In order for Acres to continue to grow, they need your help. They need a greenhouse so that they can start seeds earlier in the spring before the growing season begins. Not only will the greenhouse help them get their season off to an earlier start, but it will also increase yields and extend the growing season. They will even be able to work towards winter production. This increase in production will help make sustainably grown produce available to the community throughout the year. Additionally, the greenhouse will provide more opportunities for hands-on learning during the spring and fall semesters. To learn more about Acres or to donate to the Greenhouse Project, visit our website at www.uwyo.edu/uwacres.